Many people have tried smoking at least once in their lives. Right now, there are over 1 billion smokers in the world. Do you know why people smoke? Humans don't do anything without a reason. If something doesn't provide any benefit, they'll soon get tired of it. Smoking has a few benefits. First, it can help increase concentration, which is why many people smoke before starting an important task. Second, smoking can be an excuse for a break, especially during work when a rest is needed. Third, smoking can help strengthen friendships or even form new relationships with others who also smoke. Lastly, smoking is relaxing for many people because it triggers the release of dopamine in the brain. So if you smoke, at least you have 4 reasons. But does it really worth it? What happens if we don't smoke? The benefits of quitting smoking are almost immediate. As soon as a person quits smoking, their body starts to heal. Within 20 minutes of the last cigarette, your heart rate begins to slow down and return to normal. Blood pressure starts to drop and circulation may begin to improve. Cigarettes contain over 7,000 chemicals, 250 of which are harmful. One of these is carbon monoxide, a gas found in cigarette smoke. In high doses, this gas can be toxic or even deadly, blocking oxygen from reaching your lungs and bloodstream. When inhaled in high amounts, it can lead to suffocation due to oxygen deprivation. Just 12 hours after the last cigarette, your body begins to rid itself of excess carbon monoxide. The levels return to normal and oxygen levels in the body increase. Just one day after quitting, the risk of a heart attack begins to drop. Smoking reduces good cholesterol, increasing the risk of coronary artery disease, which makes it harder to do healthy heart exercises. Smoking also raises blood pressure and increases the risk of a stroke. Within one day of quitting, your blood pressure starts to decrease, and the risk of heart disease caused by high blood pressure due to smoking goes down. During this short period, oxygen levels in the blood increase, making physical activity and exercise easier, improving heart health. Cigarettes damage the nerve endings responsible for the sense of smell and taste. Within less than 2 days after quitting, you may notice an improvement in these senses with stronger taste and smell. Quitting smoking will improve your senses. 3 days after quitting, your bronchial tubes start to relax. You may notice it's easier to breathe and feel an increase in your energy levels. After about 2 weeks, circulation starts to improve. Blood can pump more easily through your heart and muscles, and lung function begins to improve. In 1 month, coughing and shortness of breath decrease. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia, which help remove mucus from the lungs, return to normal function. This increases their ability to control mucus, clear the lungs, and reduce the risk of infection. Between 3 to 9 months after quitting, lung function increases by 10%, improving coughing, wheezing, or breathing problems. After 1 year of not smoking, the risk of a heart attack and coronary artery disease is cut in half compared to a smoker. By quitting smoking, the risk of heart attack and coronary artery disease decreases. After 5 years, the risk of some cancers, such as those in the mouth, throat, jaw, esophagus, and bladder, is reduced by half, and the risk of cervical cancer and stroke is reduced to that of a non-smoker. After 10 years, the risk of lung cancer and death from it is about half that of a smoker, and the risk of cancer in the larynx and pancreas also decreases. After 15 years of quitting smoking, the risk of coronary artery disease is almost the same as someone who has never smoked. Most people who quit smoking experience some withdrawal symptoms. While these symptoms are usually uncomfortable, they are generally not harmful. Nicotine withdrawal symptoms include craving for a cigarette, irritability, discomfort, or anger, restlessness, difficulty concentrating, trouble sleeping, increased hunger and weight gain, feelings of sadness, depression, or anxiety. These symptoms fade over time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope the information was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to write them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn more health tips.